To buy dividend stocks on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one by providing some basic information and funding your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name or ticker symbol of the dividend stock you are interested in buying. You can also browse through the list of available stocks by clicking on the Discover tab. When you find the stock you want to buy, click on it to view its details page. This page will provide you with information about the stock's current price, dividend yield, and payment history. The dividend yield is the ratio of the annual dividend payment to the stock's current price, and it is expressed as a percentage. Before you buy, make sure to review the stock's dividend history and yield to ensure it meets your investment goals. You can also check the stock's overall performance by looking at its chart and newsfeed. To buy the stock, click on the Trade button and select Buy. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase and confirm your order. You can choose to buy the stock using a market order, which will execute immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, which will execute at a specific price you set. It is also important to consider the risks associated with buying dividend stocks, such as market volatility and the potential for dividend cuts. To minimize these risks, it is a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks across different industries. Finally, keep in mind that Robinhood does not charge commissions on stock trades, but you may still be subject to other fees such as regulatory fees. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start buying dividend stocks on Robinhood and potentially earn regular income from your investments.